Hi everyone, let's not waste any time. Let's start straight away. So we are going to discuss about Docker and Kubernetes. Why Docker is providing containerization. Containerization means containerization providing separate environment for application to run where within the containers here. So what Docker is working on a technology called containerization. Docker is providing containerization. And other terminology, other way of learning. Within the container, we are running one application package. If I'm talking about application package, you need to understand, of course, any application with library and dependencies that will become your complete application package. You are going to run that in a containerized environment. Now coming to a Kubernetes here, what Kubernetes is doing, Kubernetes is providing orchestration. Orchestration means management. If I'm talking about orchestration here, orchestration means management for containerized application. So whatever the container we are running here, so those will be orchestrated or managed by the Kubernetes. So why, what is the necessity of managing these containers here? First of all, what is the necessity of managing this container here? Because architect from monolithic to microservices, what I'm saying about monolithic, before nowadays two people are using monolithic architect. What I meant by monolithic architect here, single packet of complete application. What I meant by application, first of all, that is the combination of front end, back end and DB. This is my complete application package. What I created, monolithic means single packet of complete application running on a server here. Single point of failure, if there is a problem with your database, you have to take down your full applications. This is the limitation with the monolithic one. You have to take down your full application. If you are taking down full application, end user will have a downtime. Whoever is sitting here, users, suppose we are dealing with a banking application here, end users, you went bank, you want to transfer some million bucks, 1000 USD, 2000 USD. So in this case, what will be the case? In this case, you will get the downtime here because this is a monolithic architect here. Because of that, modification happened. What people did, people changed this architect from monolithic to microservices. What this microservices architect is, whatever the services we are seeing here for the front end and back end and database here. This is a very deep topic here. Need to spend more time like this. What is this? This is microservices here. Microservices means the same services be created by using micro component here, by using positive thing, different languages we can use. I can use what I can use. I can use Node.js for my front end. I can use Python for my back end. Something like this. I can use Python for my back end. And other than this, I can use, of course, Devi. We need database. Database we need to run. Of course, database we need something for a database here. So like this means what we will do, we will create one complete application, complete microservice, complete application from the microservices. That microservices can be written in different languages. Of course, they will interact with each other like this. Microservices means small services of complete application. We will divide this complete application into small services like this. Suppose here there is a problem here. Your Python pod is not working. Your Python thing is not working. I'm not talking about pod. Python microservices is not working. Suppose this was leading to your payment gateway. This Python, whatever you created from the Python, this was your payment service. This was your payment services. Now what will do? Your payment services will not work. Other than this, all application will work to the end users. So means downtime. There will not be a complete downtime. There will be a downtime only for this respective microservices here that we need to understand. So this is what I said. Monolithic architect, single packet of complete application here. If there is a bug or vulnerability, if there is a problem here, so what will be there? We have to take down full application. Because of that, modification happen. People changing architect from monolithic to microservices because comes with a many advantage here. Because rise of microservices here, containerizing this microservices is very easy. Why container came into the picture? Understand now. Now containerizing this microservices is very easy. What I said, container means providing separate environment for application to running within one separate environment. What? Complete package of application we are running within the environment here like this. Like this, what we did, containerizing this microservices is very easy. Because of this reason, containers came into the market. Container came into the market here. Now Again, why Kubernetes came into the market? Then container came into the market because of rise of microservices. Containerizing microservices was very easy. But why Kubernetes came into the market? Kubernetes came into the market. So containerizing microservices is very, very easy. So what people started doing? People started creating so many container here. What people started doing? People started creating so many containers here. Like we have a population of 1.5 billion. We need to control our population, something like this. So management of the container, we need a proper management, otherwise resources will not be there. So something like this. Containerizing these microservices became necessity because of that. Kubernetes came into the picture. What Kubernetes is doing? Kubernetes is providing orchestration plane.